Hello everyone, welcome to Photoshop Advanced course. My name is Fawad and together we will be creating this cinematic poster in Photoshop. We have divided this course into two sections. In first section, we will learn the techniques we will be using in our creative process, such as background removal, layer mask, layer blending techniques, adjustment layers, digital painting, and much more. In second section, we will jump into cinematic poster creation process. First, we will choose the perfect size for our document in Adobe Photoshop. After creating the document, we will find interesting images online for our concept. Then we will start positioning and resizing the images with respect to each other. We will blend the images and will make a nice composition out of it. We will also add special effects on our way, such as fog, and we will also fix highlights and shadows in order to create a nice dramatic look. In the end, we will use brushes to digitally paint our main character, and we will get a nice blending of our main character with the front and the background. Come join us and take your Photoshop skills to the next level. See you guys.